Hey guys, what's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Jobrinos. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic. A very interesting topic.
Very interesting topic, man.
People have been
what's up?
worried. People have been like worried. So we'll be talking about, is AI going to be taking out our job? Is AI going to be stealing our job? Is AI going to be taking every job out of us? So just stick to the video. The last part of the video is very interesting. Just stick to the video. Let's go.
Go to the end, guys.
So it's good, man. So today we'll be talking about the topic is AI going to be taking our jobs away. So firstly, we want to define what AI is. I would like to define what AI is first for the people that don't understand what AI is. So AI stands for artificial intelligence. You understand? Whereby
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, whereby machine do tasks, human-like tasks. You understand? So an example of what an AI is in Amazon, where they have robots that help them lift their weight and all those stuff. So with that said, you understand what AI is. We'll go right into the topic. Let me give my speaker the ground to just brief us on what he thinks, whether AI is going to be taking our job.
All right. Thank you very much, John.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, on today's topic, if AI is going to be taking our jobs away, that's actually a very interesting topic.
Very interesting topic, man.
We don't. Who even brought this AI first of all?
So I cannot remember vividly, but I know I read one book like that. AI have been existing for a long time. So then they give computers images to recognize images, and it could recognize image of a monkey, differentiate image of a monkey from a human, but it was not that advanced yet. You understand? So AI have been existing for a long time. They have been trying to iterate more and more. We have machine learning, we have AI. So you understand?
So talking about AI,
yeah.
AI is going to be taking our jobs away. Now we can already see what AI is doing.
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
You can see the role AI is playing there. You can see how AI can quickly supply answers. To whoever they want to supply answers to. I mean, even as students, it's very useful in the sense that we might even be lazy to attend lectures and all. Since we have AI, we just browse everything and give us what we want.
Yeah.
So if it's going to take our jobs away, well, I won't say the hand. Any job that require you using your hand to do. If you are a bricklayer, a carpenter, all those kind of jobs.
So if you're selling those type of jobs, if you think AI could do some complex tasks, like I know AI could do some complex tasks like serving food and though what you're saying is serving foods in restaurants. You understand? Yeah, AI serves some foods in restaurants. Yes, like in some restaurants. No. When you go to some restaurants, it's not actual waiters that bring your food for you. So you order robots. Actually, they're powered by AI. You understand? They're powered by machines. You understand? So the machines learn how to navigate between. So we have Amazon self-cleaning machines that learn how to, once you put it in your house, it learns how to navigate through your house. So it knows if something is here. It knows every corner of your house. You understand? Yeah. So let me just come in here. So is AI going to be taking our job? I would say yes, and I would say no. Why would I say yes? I would say yes because in the rise of e-commerce created new job space. You understand? When we had the internet, the .com rise, the internet, you understand? So I would say it displaced some jobs away. It brought new jobs, you understand? So for my understanding, and from what I would say is that AI will displace manual jobs and create more room for people to be creative, because
manual job.
Yeah, you understand. So the way I understand this thing is that the world kind of need a balance. You understand. So the world needs a balance in the sense that AI cannot take all our jobs away, and that means we won't have anybody working again, and it's not possible because the world needs a balance. You understand. We need to.
Sure.
In the rise of internet, in the rise of computer, people were scared. You understand, scared of their jobs, scared of everything. But those things just tend to bring new jobs inside, new tech and new things inside. You understand? So from my point of view, and from what I would say is that AI would displace manual jobs, and you can just be creative,
and it will provide opportunities for those that want to use their brain.
Yes. So creative opportunities. If you are creative, so if you're a software engineer, though there are AI that are actually building website now, like when they released GPT-4, GPT-4, so a guy actually used it to build mobile app. You understand? Though it's not that complex, and you understand, it's not that really complex, but a guy used it to build a mobile app. A guy used it to build a website. You understand? So these things are, for me, I write on Twitter very well, and I use ChatGPT to write on Twitter very well. It's removing stress for me. So before I could not write articles like let's say I want to write 5 articles in a day. It's hard. You understand?
Come to think of it, this AI is going to make people lazy.
No, it's not actually making us lazy.
To make people lazy.
Okay.
Look at you now. It's not making me lazy. You couldn't write your own essay.
How?
You have to depend on AI.
I'm not depending on AI here now.
Are you sure it's not killing us?
It's not killing us. It's not killing us. Why did I say it's not killing us? It's not killing us. Why did I say it's not killing us?
It has killed you already.
How has it killed you?
You didn't even know.
Let me explain now. You don't want to allow me to explain. Let me explain. Okay, so I have to do some. I have to code. You understand? I have to check my trades. You understand? So now spending like 5 hours writing 5 articles, it's really time intensive. It's really brain intensive. You understand? But I can just go on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a hint of what I want to write. I get that hint or template. You understand? I put it and I just do some rework and reframe. You understand? So from my point of view, when I'm creative, I'm being creative with GPT because I know how to reframe the question I want to ask him, and I know how to get the answer I want to ask him. So I'm still using my brain, but just that I'm not doing that big thinking. You understand? So from my point of view, I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy at all. I'm just using technology. You understand?
You depend on AI for almost all your activities. That's when you know that.
No, it's not that. Really, so that being that, I want to ask you a question. What do you think? How do you think AI have in the entry of AI in Nigeria? Do you think AI is having more view in Nigeria? Do you think AI is getting into Nigeria very fast or in a slow pace? What do you think?
AI is actually getting into Nigeria in a slow pace.
Have you been in any place where you've seen a robot where robot do tasks? You understand?
Now the only thing we have here now that can say, okay, yes, AI don't enter here now. You see all these smart doors. It uses AI. You see all these detectors in our homes, you know.
Like home assistant.
Yeah, home assistant, all these, even Alexa.
Even
AI is, becoming part of us gradually in all those aspects.
Internet of Things.
In the point of spreading vastly aside that, AI hasn't even reached here half. AI hasn't reached
Nigeria have, for me, Nigeria has great technologists, great software engineers, but Nigeria have slow growth to obtaining technology in them. You understand? Nigeria have very slow growth. I can tell you that Nigerians. I read one article on Twitter one day where they showed a Nigerian guy. I think he built a robot or a game dev or something. He won something. I can't remember vividly. But the guy was a Nigerian. I forgot his name. Asked something. He's a Yoruba guy. You understand? So Nigeria outside they are doing well, but bringing in technology bringing in AI into this country is very, very hard. It's not growing at a fast pace. People are not. I don't like the adoption of AI. I don't like the adoption of tech. Well, I would say that's not our problem now. We need to develop. We need to grow. We need to develop ourselves first before we start thinking of AI and all those things. So sure. I wouldn't say that's our destiny, but at least we know that AI will bring many jobs for us. If we could key in fast, we could be one of the big guys in AI.
Exactly.
Yeah. Do you have anything to add again?
This is a very educative channel. We bring everything down to your table as it is. Analyze stuff, talk about stuff.
So just keep watching our videos. At some point we'll be doing giveaways on some stuff. So just stick around, man. Thank you for watching the video.
Stick around,
subscribe. Click on that subscribe button to know whether AI will take your job. You understand? Peace out.
Thank you. All right, guys. So you know what time it is? Well, it's giveaway time as promised. In our last video, we said we're going to be doing a giveaway. Just a little token to appreciate our subscribers. Understand? So right about now, the giveaway goes to Prosper Chukwu Ebuka. All right, Prosper Chukwu Ebuka. So wherever you are, Prosper Chukwu Ebuka, we have a gift for you. It says this is actually a book. It says More Important Than Money. All right, this is a very, very nice book, very educative. So wherever you are, please send a DM to us on our IG handle. The link is in the description below. So send us a DM and we're gonna ship this to you wherever you are. All right, so Prosper Chukwu Ebuka, thank you very much for subscribing and being a very nice fan of us. Bless.